anytime you have a rug in a flood, the best thing to do is to get it to us ASAP, because when you let it sit wet, this is what can happen. This is dye migration. So basically, these yarns have soaked up the dyes from these yarns because the rug was left wet long enough to enable them to do so. So if this rug would have been brung to us right away, we could have stopped that from happening. We can still fix it, but it's something that is best avoided. So stay tuned for the before and after pictures. We're gonna go to work on this one. All right, guys, so as you can see, dye migration's all taken care of. Those fringes are pearly white. We'll go check out the other side too, just so you can see. Rug is all cleaned up. No dye migration. Everything's good to go. Another successful cleaning from Arkansas Floor and Upholstery Care.